Hey YouTube, welcome to this video on how to convert decimal numbers to binary in Python. So in this video we are going to use the recursive approach. So now if you do not know what binary is, it's actually a number expressed in binary system, which is in the form of 0 and 1, or a number to the base 2. So for example, if we have a number like 9, in binary it would be written as 1001. So now if you want to check this, how it's written 1001, so it's like take 9 and keep dividing it by 2. So 2 4 are 8, so 1 is the remainder here, 2 2 are 4, 0 is the remainder, 2 1 are 2, and again 0 is the remainder. So now as you can see, it's actually a palindrome, but in binary we read from bottom to top, so it's 1001, not 1001. So do not get confused with these palindrome. So it's 1001. If you want to cross check it, so multiply these numbers with 2 to the power of 0, then to the power 1, to the power 2, and to the power 3, and add them together. So if you see, we will get 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is 9. So let's quickly jump into VS Code and create a program for it. So first I'm defining a function which would be binary to decimal, and the parameter would be num. So if number is greater than 1, then the function binary to decimal would be num floor of 2, and no, it's actually decimal to binary. So let's change the function name first. So decimal to binary. Yeah, now it looks good. So print num with modulus of 2. So this num mod 2 will be giving us the remainders, and then we will be taking our input decimal numbers, which we will be converting to binary later. So it's integer input, so enter any number and then convert this number to binary using the function decimal to binary. Save this and run the program. So enter any number, let's take 9, it's 1001. Again, if you want to check the binary number of any other decimal, for example 100, it's 11000100. So hope you like this video. Subscribe to TechLearn and keep watching these videos. Thank you.